Hello, in this video, I will demonstrate how to mark file upload field as required in bit form. Let's get started. Navigate to the settings for the advanced file upload field. Enable the required option. When this option is enabled, it makes the field mandatory. This means that the form cannot be submitted without filling in this field. You have the flexibility to set a custom error message. You can also add leading and trailing icons. Additionally, you can choose to show or hide the asterisk symbol denoting a required field and change its position. Let's verify this by submitting a form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.